Under the moon, I call your name. Soft as the tide, it feels the same. Your eyes, they shine, a gentle flame. My heart forever belongs to you. Stay with me, my sweetest love. In every breath, you're all I dream of. Through the night and every dawn, you are my life, forever on. Your tender voice, a sacred song, it lifts me up, it makes me strong. I search for you.